Hey guys, trying to fix an issue uh, in my washing machine. The drain hose. I don't know what is the name for it. I've got new one. Let me show you. Look at this. This hose, how do I say, is inside the washing machine. I just got a part online. This is washing machine is sharp on Model ESX805. Okay, there was a leak in my hose, and then I had to open this. If you see, how do I show that? Okay, I had to open behind, and then found it was broken. So I was trying to fix it. I found it difficult. Thought maybe I'll make a video. Okay, so I've already cut this part. I don't know if you're able to see it properly. Okay, this one. I've already cut this part. There is a hose cut. I have a, what is this? The hose holder. See this? Okay. I removed it from here. It used to be here. I just removed it, and then I could then remove this. Okay, this is okay. I removed it, and then we have to remove this part. I don't know if you're able to see it clearly. Let me show you. Okay, hold on. I'm not able to show you properly. Where is it? Let me okay, let me go back. Okay, you're able to see it now. Okay, this part we have to take this off. That part is this one, the new one. If you see this part, okay, the other end, this would go to the washing machine tub. Okay, this part, the other part would go to the hose pipe. It has to go there. So I tried to pull it out. I was not able to take it out. I found it difficult. That is when I thought maybe I'll have to make a video to show it. Then I found if you come the other side, I don't know if you're able to see. Okay, there is a screw there. Okay, see it? Okay, there is a screw. You have to remove that screw. Once you remove it, then it becomes easy. Okay, now I'm going to remove it. I don't know. I don't have the. I don't know, man. I am holding my phone as well as the screw. Okay, and driver to remove it. I don't know if you're able to see it. Okay, let's see. Okay, this you have to remove. Okay, once you remove that, okay, let me pass it, then come back again. Okay, coming back. I remove the screw. Okay, once I remove this screw or this screw, and then from here you can just take it out. Okay, now you took it off, throw that, and then set the new one. Set the new one. Okay, I think should be straightforward work. Okay, I don't know if you're able to see it. I can't do it with one hand, man. I can't do it with one hand. I can't do it with one hand. Holding my phone as well. I'll fix it and show you. Okay.